The Maldives. Palm trees swaying, white sand beaches, and crystal-clear turquoise waters. It's no wonder that Maldives ranks as a top travel destination, but this archipelago in the Indian Ocean is more than just a pretty face. The Maldives offers a unique blend of natural beauty, luxurious accommodations, and rich culture. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway, an adventurous diving trip, or simply a chance to escape, the Maldives has something for everyone. What makes it stand out from other tropical paradises? Its unique geography, vibrant culture, and unparalleled opportunities for adventure and relaxation. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey. This island nation is where dreams become reality. Scattered like jewels across the Indian Ocean, the Maldives is an archipelago of 26 atolls and over 1,000 coral islands. Only about 200 of these islands are inhabited, while others are home to luxurious resorts, and many remain untouched. Imagine a place where the only traffic jams are caused by schools of brightly colored fish. Each island in the Maldives is unique, offering its own distinct charm and character. Some are tiny, barely peeking above the water, while others accommodate entire villages and resorts. The islands are fringed by lagoons of incredible shades of blue and green. The Maldives is a place where time seems to slow down and the worries of the world melt away. It's a place to reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in a different culture, and create lasting memories. The magic of the Maldives awaits. Imagine a string of pearls scattered across a vast blue canvas. That's the sight that greets you when you look at a map of the Maldives. Each pearl is an atoll, a ring-shaped coral reef encircling a lagoon of exquisite shades of turquoise and azure. These atolls, 26 in total, are the building blocks of this island nation. The formation of these atolls is a testament to the power of nature. Over millennia, coral polyps built their limestone skeletons upon the submerged rims of ancient volcanoes. As the volcanoes sank, the coral continued to grow, forming the islands we see today. This unique geography is the foundation of the Maldivian way of life. The shallow lagoons provide a safe haven for marine life, making fishing a primary source of livelihood. The reefs attract visitors eager to explore this underwater wonderland. The islands offer a sanctuary from modern life, a place to reconnect with nature and discover paradise. The true magic of the Maldives lies beneath the surface of the water. In the warm, crystal-clear waters of the Indian Ocean, a vibrant ecosystem unfolds. The coral reefs provide a home to an astonishing array of marine life. Imagine swimming alongside graceful manta rays, their wingspans stretching up to 12 feet. Picture yourself surrounded by schools of brightly colored fish, their scales shimmering like jewels. Look closely and you might spot a shy sea turtle or a curious reef shark. For diving enthusiasts, the Maldives is a true paradise. The warm waters offer excellent visibility and the reefs are home to iconic dive sites. Explore sunken shipwrecks teeming with marine life or witness hundreds of hammerhead sharks. You don't have to be a certified diver to experience the underwater wonders. Snorkeling in the shallow lagoons is just as rewarding. Even a leisurely swim in the warm, turquoise waters is an experience in itself. Life in the Maldives moves to the rhythm of the tides. The climate is tropical, with warm temperatures year-round. The sun shines generously, casting a golden glow on the white sand beaches and turquoise waters. The monsoon seasons bring changes in wind patterns and occasional rainfall. The southwest monsoon from May to October creates ideal conditions for surfing. The northeast monsoon from November to April offers calmer seas and clear skies, perfect for diving and snorkeling. Regardless of the season, the Maldives offers a sense of tranquility. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the scent of salt and sea. The only sounds you'll hear are the gentle lapping of waves and the rustle of palm fronds. The Maldives is a place to escape the ordinary, reconnect with nature and create lasting memories. It's a captivating destination. The Maldives boasts a culture as rich and vibrant as the coral reefs that surround its islands. Shaped by centuries of maritime trade, Islamic traditions, and a deep connection to the sea, Maldivian culture is a unique blend of influences. The warmth and hospitality of the Maldivian people are legendary. Smiles come easily and visitors are welcomed with open arms. Despite the influx of tourists, the local people have preserved their traditions and customs. Islam plays a central role in Maldivian life, and the melodic call to prayer from the mosques can be heard 5 times a day. Modesty is valued, and visitors are expected to dress respectfully. The spirit of community is strong in the Maldives. Neighbors help each other, families gather for meals and celebrations, and traditions are passed down through generations. The Maldives is a place where time seems to slow down, and the simple pleasures of life are cherished. Step ashore on any inhabited island in the Maldives and you'll be greeted by a scene that feels worlds away from the luxury resorts. Colourful houses line sandy lanes, their walls adorned with intricate carvings or painted in bright hues. Children play barefoot, their laughter echoing through the palm trees, while fishermen mend their nets. Fishing remains an integral part of the local economy and culture. Early in the morning, fishermen set out in their traditional wooden boats called donis. Life in the villages revolves around the sea. Women gather to clean and prepare the day's catch, their chatter and laughter filling the air. Fresh fish, grilled over open fires or cooked in fragrant curries, is a staple of the Maldivian diet. Music and dance are an integral part of the culture, with traditional dances like the Bodu Baru often performed during festivals. These vibrant expressions of Maldivian culture offer a glimpse into the soul of the islands. It's a joyous celebration of life, tradition, and community. The Maldives is a feast for the senses, a place where vibrant colors, exotic aromas, and unique flavors create an unforgettable experience. From the moment you step off the plane, the warm, humid air envelops you like a warm embrace. Maldivian cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors reflecting the country's geographic location and trading history. Fresh seafood takes center stage, but the influence of Indian, Sri Lankan, and Arab cuisines is evident. One of the most iconic Maldivian dishes is garudia, a fragrant fish broth traditionally eaten with rice, lime, and chili. Another must-try is mashuni, a breakfast dish made with shredded smoked tuna, grated coconut, onions, and chili. For those with a sweet tooth, the Maldives offers a range of delectable treats. Don't miss out on trying bondi, a Maldivian sweet made with rice flour, sugar, and coconut. Beyond the culinary delights, the Maldives offers a sensory experience like no other. The feel of the soft white sand, the sound of the waves, and the sight of the sun setting over the Indian Ocean, these moments will stay with you long after you've left. The Maldives is more than just a luxurious escape. It's a story of resilience and resourcefulness. Beyond the shimmering horizon lies a deep-rooted connection to the sea. The Maldivian economy, though increasingly reliant on tourism, is still anchored to its traditional pillars. Fishing and agriculture. Fishing continues to play a vital role, employing a significant portion of the population. Generations of fishermen have honed their skills, navigating the ocean with an inherent understanding of the currents and tides. Agriculture, though limited by the scarcity of arable land, is practiced on many inhabited islands. The coconut holds a special place in Maldivian culture, its versatility extending beyond culinary uses. These traditional industries are the bedrock of Maldivian society, a testament to the resourcefulness of its people. The Maldives is a living, breathing nation with a rich history and a vibrant culture. Tourism has transformed the Maldives, bringing economic opportunities and infrastructure development. The tourism industry has become the engine of the Maldivian economy, contributing significantly to the nation's GDP. The government has invested heavily in developing tourism infrastructure. However, this rapid development comes at a cost. The environmental impact of tourism, particularly on the fragile coral reefs, is a growing concern. Waste management, energy consumption, and the pressure on natural resources pose significant challenges. The Maldivian government has implemented initiatives to mitigate the negative impacts of tourism. These include promoting responsible tourism practices and investing in renewable energy sources. The Maldives is committed to safeguarding its precious coral reefs. The Maldives faces the dual challenges of climate change and the environmental impact of tourism. The very existence of this low-lying island nation is threatened by rising sea levels. The Maldivian government has been a vocal advocate for climate action on the international stage. The country has set ambitious targets for reducing its carbon footprint. There's a growing movement within the tourism industry to embrace sustainability. Eco-friendly resorts are leading the way, implementing practices such as energy conservation and waste reduction. Some resorts are engaging in coral reef restoration projects and supporting local communities. The path forward requires a delicate balance between economic growth, environmental protection, and cultural preservation. The Maldives is committed to harnessing the economic benefits of tourism while safeguarding its natural beauty and cultural heritage. The Maldives, despite the challenges that lie ahead, faces the future with a spirit of resilience and a deep-rooted commitment to preserving its unique way of life. The Maldivian people, known for their warmth, hospitality, and deep connection to the sea, are the heart and soul of this island nation. Education and awareness are key to ensuring a sustainable future for the Maldives. The younger generation, armed with knowledge about climate change, environmental conservation, and sustainable practices, is poised to become stewards of their island home. Schools are incorporating environmental education into their curricula, and local communities are actively involved in conservation efforts. The future of the Maldives lies in striking a harmonious balance between progress and tradition, embracing innovation while safeguarding cultural heritage. It's about promoting responsible tourism that benefits both visitors and local communities, ensuring that the economic benefits of tourism translate into a better quality of life for all Maldivians. The Maldives is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, hope and ingenuity can pave the way for a brighter future. It's a call to action for all of us to cherish and protect our planet, for the sake of future generations and the preservation of paradise. With over 1,000 islands scattered across the Indian Ocean, choosing which ones to visit in the Maldives can feel impossible. Each island, like a pearl, offers a unique charm and allure. We've compiled a list of must-visit islands, each a jewel in this tropical paradise. For luxury and seclusion, visit Necklace of Atolls exclusive resorts. Imagine waking up in an overwater bungalow, the turquoise lagoon inviting you to paradise. Indulge in spa treatments, cocktails at sunset, and dining under the stars. For divers and snorkelers, Necklace Atoll is a must-visit. Explore vibrant coral reefs and abundant marine life. Swim with manta rays and marvel at coral gardens. For local life, visit Mafushi in Kafu Atoll. Experience Maldivian life with colorful houses and bustling markets. Chat with fishermen and sample traditional Maldivian cuisine. Adventures in the deep, the Maldives, with its crystal-clear waters and vibrant coral reefs, is a diver's paradise. Whether you're a seasoned scuba enthusiast or a curious snorkeler, the underwater world promises an unforgettable adventure. Imagine descending into a world of vibrant colors and surreal beauty. Schools of fish, their scales shimmering like jewels in the sunlight. Island hopping and beyond, exploring hidden gems. While the allure of luxurious resorts and world-class diving is undeniable, the true magic of the Maldives lies in its diversity. Beyond the well-trodden tourist paths, a world of hidden gems awaits. Embrace the spirit of exploration and embark on an island-hopping adventure. Charter a traditional Maldivian dhoni and set sail for uninhabited islands. Picnic under swaying palm trees, snorkel in pristine lagoons, and witness the raw beauty of nature. Venture inland and immerse yourself in the local culture. Visit a local market and engage with friendly locals. Learn about their traditions and deep connection to the sea. Spend a night on a local island, staying in a guest house run by a Maldivian family. Share a meal with your hosts and savor traditional Maldivian cuisine. Connect with the heart and soul of the Maldives. Experience the genuine warmth and hospitality of its people. Create memories that will last a lifetime. The Maldives, with its idyllic setting, secluded beaches and luxurious accommodations, is a haven for romance. Celebrate love in this tropical paradise, perfect for honeymoons, anniversaries, or romantic getaways. Sail into the sunset on a traditional Maldivian dhoni, the sky ablaze with colors. The gentle rocking of the boat and the sound of waves create pure magic. As night falls, the sky transforms into a celestial tapestry of stars. Enjoy a candlelit dinner on the beach with waves providing a soothing soundtrack. Share stories and kisses under the starlit sky, creating lasting memories. Book a private dinner on a secluded sandbank accessible only by boat. Savor a gourmet meal, prepared by a private chef as the sun sets. It's a moment of pure magic, a celebration of love in the Maldives. As our journey through the enchanting Maldives draws to a close, we reflect on the tapestry of experiences that have colored our perception of this island nation. From the moment we first glimpsed the archipelago from the air, the Maldives has woven its magic around us. We've walked barefoot on pristine beaches, the soft white sand whispering secrets beneath our feet. We've snorkeled in crystal-clear lagoons, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of marine life. We've delved into the heart of Maldivian culture, witnessing the warmth of its people and the vibrancy of its traditions. We've indulged in the lap of luxury at world-class resorts. We've ventured off the beaten path, exploring hidden coves and local villages. The Maldives is more than just a destination. It's an experience, a tapestry woven from threads of natural beauty and cultural richness. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where worries melt away, and where the simple pleasures of life take center stage. What is it about the Maldives that continues to captivate travelers from around the globe? Is it the natural beauty, the turquoise waters, the white sandy shores, or the vibrant coral reefs? Or perhaps the warmth and hospitality of the Maldivian people? The Maldives offers a sanctuary from modern life, a place to reconnect with nature and loved ones. It's a place that leaves an imprint on the soul, a longing to return. As we bid farewell to the Maldives, we carry with us a treasure trove of memories, moments of awe, laughter, and tranquility etched into our hearts. The colors of the sunset over the Indian Ocean, the feel of the warm sand beneath our feet, the taste of fresh mango and coconut, the sound of the waves crashing against the reef. These sensory experiences linger, a reminder of the magic we experienced in this island paradise. But perhaps the most enduring souvenir we carry with us is a renewed appreciation for the simple things in life, the beauty of nature, the importance of human connection, and the tranquility that comes from living in harmony with the rhythms of the natural world. The Maldives has a way of working its magic on your soul, leaving you forever changed by the experience. It's a place that stays with you long after you've left its shores, a constant reminder of the beauty and wonder that exists in the world, and it's a place that beckons you back time and again to rediscover the magic and leave a little piece of your heart behind with each visit. So, until next time, Maldives, thank you for sharing your beauty, your culture, and your tranquility with us. We leave a piece of our hearts on your shores, knowing that we'll be back to reclaim them and to create new memories that will last a lifetime.